We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update and want to see how we can look for trade. If you refer to our analysis since my last video and the price was here, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop. All right, but as we can see, the price dropped a bit, but it couldn't retest this low. That means still this one turned to a bigger correction. Okay, now we want to see how we can look at this. Since we mentioned we want to look for buy. Okay, in this case, first of all, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. We have been looking for a reversal, but as we can see, we get the internal correction. The question, how long the price will be within this one, whether we can get the reversal or we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time. All right, and in this case, we want to see how we can look for trade based on lower time frame. If we refer to forward chart, if we refer to my last analysis, we mentioned 2 ways we can look for this chart. Whether this is the only correction and this is the only 3 waves, we can look for reverse. This is the start of the reversal, or we can put this one in relative to this for internal correction, at least 5 wave structure before we get the reversal. Anyway, if traders they want more details, they can refer to my last video analysis, last two. And the only things we mentioned that if we want to look for buy, we prefer at least this one give us one more drop, because internally we can look for this for one move up. Then from there, after the breakout of this, we see whether there is a continuation or not. Okay, that's why we need to be quite careful. If we want to look for buy, we need to get the proper trade set up. In case this one give us one move down and this one turn to a 5 wave structure, then the price we can expect even retest this low. And with the breakout of this, we can retest this low. Okay, anyway, if we want to look for buy, we need to be quite careful, and we're looking for buy. The only thing is, the best thing is, if this one can give us one more drop, then any reversal from there we look for buy. All right, this is the first option. And how about if the price reverse from here? The only way to look for the trade, having a sharp move flag, we take the trade, and with the breakout of this stop, we have to start to manage. Having entry above this stop is not any option. We cannot have it. Maybe we can have entry above this in case the reversal is really sharp. Okay, anyway, right now we're looking at this. It become turned to a more corrective than what we were expected. And when we have this kind of the corrective move, we can expect the sharp move either up or down. All right, but what we are more interested, if it gives us one more drop, then from there mostly we can refer to the indicators. For the divergence, any reversal with the breakout of this, we can look for buy. This is what we are more interested. And I mentioned it doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. If it's reverse from here, we need to wait for the sharp move flag or having entry above this. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.